Record that behind you, yeah. Behind it, yeah. Well, let's get out of here, dude. Let's keep moving. So one house fucked up, yeah.
Yeah, two. Imagine hearing that in the middle of the night. Huge ass crash land on your house.
All the water in your pool's gone.
Yeah, right? And now flooding into your house.
Intense, dude. That was ridiculous. That was destruction over there, dude.
Probably the person that got it the worst too.
Alright, one more evac area, then we're done. The Barrington evac area.
Barrington fucking evac area.
I wanted to go next to the water, yo.
He's got his bike,
So
dude.
we're going.
He knows what's up, dude. Haha.
I told you, man. Get the bike and do that fucking jump, yo.
We are the road, Tree.
The Hard King is going that way, dude. You gotta follow it.
If you want to go to Virginia right now, they got hit way worse, dude.
Yeah, my brother's in Virginia.
They got fucked up, didn't
They
they?
got fucked, dude.
Did they?
Hell yeah. Imagine every tree you're seeing right now down. That's Virginia right now. They got fucked up.
No driving allowed. Alright, the tree over here.
Tree over here is fucking huge tree. Right
You climbed that tree before you?
there. Yeah, I used to climb that tree all the time as a kid.
Damn.